Hi, I'm Ken Cooper with Guarantee RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'd like to share with you this 2018 Winnebago 36G. It is the Forza series. Lovely coach, beautiful full body paint. Let's go inside and take a peek here. Very spacious open floor plan right here. You'll notice that I have a full-size sofa that makes into a queen island bed. And directly across, look at that. We've got a fireplace there. Very large TV set, excellent storage up above. This is a Euro recliner right here, and you can move this around to put in any position that you so desire. Nice treatment in this galley area here, solid service countertop, lots of 110 plug-ins, stainless steel sinks, Moen faucetry, excellent storage throughout in this area. Look at the size of these drawers. 3-burner cooktop, really like this grill right here, convection microwave oven. And right across, a dinette with storage underneath. And this is the dream dinette. Just lower it right down. You can make a bed out of this. Now as we move back into this area, something kind of neat here. This is the residential refrigerator right here with the ice maker. This coach is plumbed for a washer dryer. In lieu of that, we've got storage with adjustable shelving right there. Now as we move into the bath area here, look at the size of that shower. It's even got a seat in it. Look at the amount of counter space we have. High capacity exhaust fan up above. Lots of storage there. Something I really like. King bed back here. Windows on both sides for good cross ventilation. Look at the amount of wardrobe that we have there. Additional storage here. And look at that. 3 big drawers, more storage right there. And a very large TV set here in the bedroom as well. This is a lovely coach. This maple really looks nice. Now as we move forward into the cockpit, something new. This is the Optivision dash right there. LCD display, very readable. You can get a lot of information from there. Notice the size of that backup monitor there. It's just enormous. This co-pilot seat is powered as well. Notice that we've got the leg rest as well as a workstation right here. Of course, that pilot seat is powered as well. 6-speed Allison transmission. It's got the smart wheel on it right here. Another nice little touch. Storage system right there with power ports. Now something I really like on this coach, James, take a peek at this. Here are our kill switches for our chassis as well as our house. And we can turn on and off all our lights right here. All the controls for the awning conveniently located right at eye level there for you. This exterior color is called tartan, believe it or not. It's very unique. I really like it. Alloy wheels right there. We've got the exterior entertainment center. And notice that this TV set is articulated. One of the neat things about this coach, overall height is 11 foot 11 inches. So it's very low coach, height-wise. Look at the amount of storage we have in this area. You can see that that is passed through. Right in here as well. Boy, it just goes on forever. Look at that. It's just amazing. Now notice this freshwater tank located down low. Get that center of gravity down. Easy access to your water pump. This is a siphon hose to bring in non-toxic antifreeze into the coach right there. As we move back into this side, more storage here. And here's the master kill switch for the chassis battery. Of course, all these compartments are illuminated. And right here are the location of the house batteries. Notice that we got 4 of those with a provision where we could put in 2 more. This motorhome is powered with a 340 horsepower Cummins diesel, 700 foot-pounds of torque. Notice the LED lighting that we have here, as well as the high mount turn signals up above. Everything's very accessible right here. Fluid levels, a diagnostic plug for the computer, air cleaner restriction indicator. This coach already has a receiver hitch on it, and the wiring is in place. Moving on this side, here's the location of the chassis batteries right here. Notice that we have resettable circuit breakers right there. 13-gallon DEF tank right there. 50 amp service. That compartment is very large, easy to stow. Service entrance. Whole house filtration, easy access to your dump valves, outside shower, water pump switch, Santa flush, freshwater hookup. And again, it's just remarkable on this coach as we go down the side just how much storage it has here. Notice that this LP tank is actually mounted to the frame there. Very accessible, easy to get at. Coach is equipped with dual fuel fills here. This will be electrical access right here, as well as a release right here to get at the generator compartment. As I mentioned, this coach has the full body paint on it here with the 3M protective mask on it to keep it from getting chipped. It's just a gorgeous coach. If you'd like to know more about this motorhome, my name's Ken Cooper. You can reach me directly at that toll-free phone number below. Thank you for taking the time, and I hope to hear from you soon.